What's up, guys? I'm Tyler's dad.
I'm Tyler.
And we have got a fun project today, do we not? What are we doing, Ty?
Putting new exhaust on this.
So, we've got from Z1 Motorsports dual exhaust for the 2004 350Z. The car has a turbocharger. Right now it has the Nismo exhaust. It's not too loud. We're gonna start it up, give you a little sample of how it sounds. We'll hear how it sounds after. So let's do it. Let's open this up, see what we got. This is C1 coming through. This is gonna be our Y pipe. Essentially it's gonna come out from the mid pipe we've got, and then it Y's off where two mufflers will go on. You want to start opening that up, bud?
Yep.
We've got a pack of some hardware. Looks like we got clamps, gaskets. We got two muffler hangers. Oh yeah. And everything is packed very well. Looks like the muffler has removable silencers. All right.
Ew.
Check that out. Very nice touch of these mufflers. Z1 looks like it's etched on there. It's got the removable silencer. Fun. So I just want to talk about the quality of this Z1 exhaust for a second. This TIG weld is just beautiful. Alright, Tyler, we're ready to start doing this exhaust. Let's throw it on. What are we going to do first?
Remove this one.
Yep, but what do we have to do first to get there? I'll give you a hint. Lift.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Alright, we'll get that. So, step one, we're going to lift the car up. We're going to block the front wheels since we don't want it to roll away on us. And we're going to lift the back end so we have some more room to work. So this car is rear-wheel drive. We're going to use the rear differential as our jacking point right in the center. Alright guys, so unfortunately we've run into a bit of a hang-up. I see that Z1 has sent me 90% of the parts I need for this install. The factory exhaust does not have a provision for a V-band flange. I looked on their website. Looks like we're missing the mid pipe that's supposed to come from the location where the cats dump into the exhaust, and that mid pipe is where this V-band's going to go. So I'm going to have to reach out to Z1, see if they can give me that pipe. They must have just forgot to throw it in this kit, unfortunately. So stay tuned, we'll get this thing back on the ground, and when we get the exhaust on, we'll
continue the video.
got the exhaust on. Z1 came through. We finally got the pipe we were missing, the mid pipe. Right, everything is bolted on. We got the silencers out right now, right? I just want to say Z1 is a good company to work with. When I purchased the exhaust, I already knew it was on back order, so that wasn't surprising. You know, I was just excited to put it on and happy everything is here. Let's go take the car out, try it out. Shall we? You can definitely tell the car is loud. And it was just corked up, you know? When it turned up loud. So in closing, guys, overall, very happy with the exhaust, the way it turned out. The installation was super simple. I love the way it sounds. And just stay tuned. We're going to post some more videos of it. I'll have some drive-by videos and whatnot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.